Okay, after years of rumors, the day is finally here. This is your first official look at the Galaxy Z TriFold. Samsung is finally ready to launch its first tri-folding smartphone, and they just unveiled it ahead of the APEC 2025 summit in South Korea. Stick around because we're diving into the details of the device that turns from a phone into a true tablet when fully unfolded. That's a massive screen expansion. So here's what we know about the reveal. Samsung appears to have showcased the Galaxy Z TriFold for the first time at the K-Tech Showcase, a side event happening as part of APEC 2025 at Gyeongju Expo Park Air Dome. This initial look happened at 9 a.m. in Seoul, South Korea. Now, the device was secure under a glass showcase panel, so no one could physically interact with it yet, but the images captured are telling. One of these images, also posted by Tipster Phone Art and originally captured by Chosun Media, gives us a great view. The key takeaway here is the form factor. The Galaxy Z TriFold has two hinges and can essentially turn from a phone with a 6.5-inch display into a true tablet with a 10-inch display when fully unfolded. That's a massive screen expansion. In an official statement to SamMobile, Samsung confirmed their direction, saying Samsung continues to advance innovative technologies, including next-generation form factors in the era of mobile AI, to deliver meaningful user experiences. The recent showcase reflects ongoing R&D efforts, and we plan to bring this next-generation device to users within this year. The current expectation is that the phone will be fully announced later this week during the summit. As for when you can get your hands on it, it could go on sale sometime next month in select initial markets, including China and South Korea, with a launch in a few more markets expected at a later date. So there it is. The Galaxy Z TriFold is real, it's a tri-folding beast with a massive 10-inch screen, and it's coming soon. This is a huge statement from Samsung about the future of foldables. What do you think about the TriFold design? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're excited for the next generation of mobile tech, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed for all the latest breaking news on this device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.